I told you. I can give you a few tips if you want.
You play beach soccer?
Don't be fooled by appearances. I can help you get your passing right on sand.
No need! I'm a professional coach. It's all in here.
Why are we standing on one leg?
It's all about balance.
My book says that practicing balancing helps your passing. Just a few more seconds. All right, let's try it again. Your turn to cross Benny.
I'll get it! Mr. Walter, are you still sure it's all about balance?
Okay, time for a break. I need to reread my book.
Still on for the game tomorrow?
Definitely! Why?
It looks like you've hit so many balls into the sea, you haven't got any left to train with. You won't be the speedster twisters tomorrow. You'll be the wimpy chickens.
Oh no! If we lose, we can never show our faces again.
We've got no choice if we don't want to lose.
Excuse me?
There they are. She finds everything I lose in the sand.
Could you teach us some beach soccer move?
Why?
Because we have to win the beach soccer match tomorrow.
Ah. All right then. The first rule of beach soccer. Pass me that ball. To do a good pass, you have to flick the ball up first. And then hit it.
Wow!
Your turn.
Yes! You as assistant couch!
Hey everyone, dinner will be ready soon.
And you think Mr. Walter will take advice from a fisherman?
Of course he will. A good barbecue always helps people get along.
Here he comes.
Barbecuing some fish.
Yes, it's my specialty.
Mr. Walter, we thought we'd invite. Himmy slowed us a great beach soccer trick.
Really?
Your fish are going to be overcooked.
And I'm telling you, they're perfect.
Mr. Walter is an expert chef.
If he's as good at cooking as he is at beach soccer, then I'm looking forward to this.
What? May I remind you that I am
A professional coach, I know. Come on, Seagull, we're leaving.